Recipe here at Koki's Kitchen. Karibu sana. If it's your first time, you're so much welcome. I know you're gonna make this a home where you're gonna become a better cook in this country. So guys, today we are making fish in coconut sauce, and right away guys, let's introduce our ingredients and get into this. Okay, let's introduce our ingredients. With me here I have coriander, and I'll be using beef cube. This is 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I have my onions. We have grated 2 large tomatoes. I have said we are making fish in coconut sauce, so guys, we shall be using coconut cream. This is content. Then we shall be having curry powder kama kawaida. I have salt over there, and not forgetting the main ingredient, the main guest. Yeah, that's our fish. So right away guys, let's get started. I know you love my plate. Ooh. So with me here I have my cooking oil. The next thing we are going to add in our onions, and we are going to cook our onions to our desired liking. Next thing guys, we are going to add in our tomatoes nice and slowly. The next thing we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Give this a nice mix. We are going to add in our curry powder. This is half a teaspoon, or rather 1 teaspoon. Then finally we are going to add in 1 beef cube, and add in our salt, and mix this all nicely. So my paste looks amazing. The next thing we are going to add in our coconut cream. Here it is. I'm just gonna add it in, and give this a nice mix. So we are going to let this cook for some few minutes, like 2 minutes, then come back. And so let's check in what's going on in here. Wow, this looks lovely. And the next thing we are now going to add in our fish. I love this. Like that. So we're just going to spread this like this on top. So we are going to let this side cook, then we'll turn it around. So guys, let's add in some little water because we don't want it to stick. I had to change my cooking stick, so just slowly flip this. Be careful. Okay, like that. I let this side to recipe. And finally guys, our fish is ready. As you can see, look at that, the paste is so thick. I love this. So finally we are going to garnish our food with some coriander, and it's a wrap for us over here. Look at that guys, look